So let's talk about state. So what we've talked about before has been about props, right? Child passing down data from the parent to the child. And something interesting and useful to talk about that is the parent can pass down data to the child, but vice versa does not work, right? So the child has no concept of who its parents are, which is sad, I suppose. But it can't interact with its parent. It can't do anything. The only thing it can do is accept, data from its parents and then do something with that data. This is called one-way data flow. It's one of the things that, I'm not going to say React pioneered it, but it definitely made that popular in the front-end landscape. And now definitely Angular and Ember have adopted that into their frameworks, and it's been good for everyone all around. The reason why this is a really, really, really good thing, it kind of feels like it's tying one hand behind your back. Sort of is, but it ends up being a huge net positive. So if I have, this component, this component, this component, and I have a component, or I have a problem with the middle component, right? And I can see that, I can already eliminate the parent component as being the problem, right? Because the parent component has no interaction with this child component. Like, they just kind of pass data back and forth, right? And I guess vice versa, is that if the parent has problem, you can eliminate all the children components from having any issues. But it's like a strong detachment between the two. So, sorry, let me rephrase that. If the most parent is having issues, you can eliminate the children as causing the issue, right? Because the children have no way to interact with the parent, right? So that the problem has to live within the parent. That's what I wanted to assert. So in our particular case, right, if I have search and maybe, search is having an issue here, I can already rest assured that show card isn't causing any issues because show card has no way to meddle with search, right? That's the power of one-way data flow. So this is a powerful thing that I think Facebook does really well, in particular with React and some of their other libraries, is they really optimize for debuggability and maintainability. And so this idea that you can see a problem and eliminate entire swaths of your code where that problem could not be, it's really powerful. Because you can start having an issue and you just get to eliminate 2/3 of your app and you just get to instantly start looking within that 1/3, right? It's really, really powerful. So that's props. That's one-way data flow. It's definitely a core tenet of React.